Hello everyone, welcome to Han Virtual Academy. In this video, we are going to share general knowledge about the world in the form of multiple choice questions. Answer to each question will be further elaborated and explained in detail to have a better insight. Question is, world's first ATM was built and installed in London, UK in 1967. Second question, which of the following is the smallest ocean in the world? So the smallest ocean in the world is Arctic Ocean. Question number 3. Dead Sea is located between which of the following two countries? It is in between Jordan and Israel. Question number 4. Bermuda Triangle is in Atlantic Ocean. Question number 5. Which country is known as Playground of Europe? Switzerland is known as Playground of Europe. Question number 6. Which country is known as the land of rising sun? So the country that is known as the land of rising sun is Japan. Question number 7. Which country is known as the land of thunderbolts? The country that is known as the land of thunderbolts is Bhutan. Question number 8. Which continent has highest number of countries? So the continent having the highest number of countries is Africa. Question number 9. How many oceans are in the world? So there are 5 oceans in the world. Question number 10. Country known as Land of Thousand Lakes is Finland. Question number 1. Which country gifted the Statue of Liberty to United States of America? So the country that gifted Statue of Liberty was France. Question number 2. White elephant is found in which of the following country? It is found in Thailand. Which plateau is known as the roof of the world? The plateau that is nicknamed as the roof of the world is Tipton Plateau. Question number 4. The world's longest straight road without any turns and corners is in Saudi Arabia. Question number 5. The world's largest island is Greenland. After the British rule, Hong Kong became a part of China in 1997. Question number 7. Which of the following is the world's highest altitude airport? The world's highest altitude airport is Daocheng Yading Airport. Question number 8. Which of the following is the largest tropical rainforest in the world? Amazon is the largest tropical rainforest in the world. Question number 9. Which of the following is the longest continental mountain range in the world? Andes is the longest continental mountain range in the world. Question number 10. How many countries were participated as founding member of United Nations? So there were around 51 countries that participated. Question number 1. Which planet is called winter planet? So the winter planet is basically Jupiter. Question number 2. Stupa is the sacred place of Buddhism. Question number 3. UAE is the federation of 7 states. Question number 4. Softball was invented by George Hancock. Question number 5. Currency of Ukraine is hryvnia. Question number 6. An official passport was issued to a dead body for the transfer to France in 1974. It was of the mummy of Ramesses II. Question number 7. The world's biggest graveyard is located in Iraq. Question number 8. First COP was held in March 1995 in Berlin, Germany. Question number 9. Perejil Island dispute is in between Spain and Morocco. Question number 10. World's oldest desert is Namib Desert. Question number 11. Gogland Island belongs to which of the following country? It belongs to Russia. Question number 12. Hispaniola, an island on the Caribbean, is now known as Haiti. Question number 13. Volcano Mount Etna is in Italy. Question number 14. The first country to develop banknotes was China. Question number 15. Popular numbers puzzle Sudoku was created by Makikaji. Question number 1. The island of Socotra belongs to Yemen. Question number 2. The strait connecting Persian Gulf and Gulf of Oman is Hormuz. Question number 3. Great Malawi Lake is in Africa. Question number 4. Great Bear Lake is in Canada. Question number 5. Avila Walls is in which of the following countries? Avila Walls are in Spain. Question number 6. The Temple of the Tooth is in Kandy, Sri Lanka. Question number 7. The first intelligible words, Mr. Watson, come here, I want to see you, were recorded on a telephone on March 10, 1876. Question number 8. How many times the national flag of Afghanistan has been changed? It has been changed for almost around 30 times. Question number 9. Zacatecas is a state located in Mexico. Question number 10. Which of the following countries is called an enclave? So the country that is called an enclave is San Marino. Question number 11. Which of the following two oceans meet at Cape Agulhas? So the two oceans that meet at Cape Agulhas are Atlantic and Indian Ocean. Question number 12. First face uploaded on Facebook was of Al Pacino. Question number 13. Disappointment Island is in New Zealand. Question number 14. Strait connecting the Black Sea and the Sea of Azov is Kerch Strait. Question number 15. The Mausoleum of Halicarnassus is in Turkey.